Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So we need to open device manager to update the drivers of any devices. So you can right click here on start icon and click on device manager. You can also open it from the search bar. Simply type your device manager and click here to open it. So you will get all the drivers of the devices, those are running on your system, and for each and every drivers device, the updating system is same for each and every. For example, I want to update the drivers of keyboards, so simply I will right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab, click on update driver. As you can see, you will get the two options here, and if I close this and I want to update the drivers of the display adapter, same process, right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. You will get these all options, same options in each and every device. So select the first option, then the best drivers will be installed automatically. If this not work, then just go back and select the second option. Then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You will get the multiple models here. Select one of them, click on next, and there we go. It will refresh my display because I am updating the drivers of the display adapter. So there we go. After the updating drivers, we need to simply restart our system to complete the updation of drivers. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.